Hey, welcome back to another episode of Johnscryptotherapy. Today I'm going to do a quick rundown once again, guys, on Ecomi. This is going to be a quick one. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this. And I want to tell you guys why it's important to understand the structure. So today we're going to look at order blocks. I did draw it in already, guys, but this is the exact prime example of what you need to look at, especially if you're looking for a long or a short. So let's work this out. So when we look at this on the bottom scale, this was our order block towards the downside. You can see it broke out, came back in, retested that structure, and prices went towards the upside. Once again, we do have another order block here. Prices broke out. It already retested right there. Prices did dump a little bit more than it did go towards the upside. Now, the reasons why I'm saying this, it's very important to understand this, guys, because each time prices are using this as leverage of support for prices to have momentum to go towards the upside. Once the order block is fulfilled and the validations of the orders are filled, guess what's going to happen? If we do see an order block on top, just like this, it broke out. If you guys can see very carefully here, it broke out, pushed back in, and now we are seeing a bearish candle. If it does break above this structure around 0.000657-ish, if it does break that, this is going to be bullish momentum towards upside. If it doesn't break above that structure, the orders towards the downside to the medium side, it's all complete. So what does that mean? It is going to be easy for price to actually dump towards the downside because the orders are fulfilled. The buyers already dipped their fingers, and this is how far prices has pushed towards upside. You can see high volume candles, you can see medium, and then you can slowly see, you know what? It does have a lot of volume, but it's somewhat slowing down. We're not seeing that big push that we're looking for. So this is a great example of exhaustion in the price, and this could be a great time, guys. And if it doesn't break this level 0.000657-ish with the body close, guys, so if it doesn't give us the body close and we see a wick rejection, whatever, that's a great sign. If it does complete bearish, this is such a great time to see a short. That's why I'm not looking to buy right now, because I do believe if it doesn't break above that structure, I don't have confidence that price is going to continue towards the upside. This is where that key level of fake outs are going to happen. So because all these areas are fulfilled, guys, keep that in mind. Because the orders are already fulfilled towards the upside, each time it bounced, it gave us that push towards the upside. That means this is the furthest the buyers can push. If this is the furthest the buyers can push, what do you think it's happening to the bears? The bears are seeing that. They're looking at this and saying to themselves, hey, if this is what the buyers can do, and this is how far they could push price, and we didn't go over that hump, guess what? It's our turn to give us the counter punch. So that's why I'm saying if it doesn't break that structure and we see a big bearish candle or somewhat of a bearish candle completing in the daily, I do believe we could see a huge dump. It can absolutely go towards the level 0.000609-ish level, and if it does break below that, guys, it could go all the way towards the bottom. So keep that in mind. Why am I looking bearish here? Because we have so much opportunities to break above, and it's failing to do that throughout the days. If that's the case, and this is what the buyers can do, this is a counter punch. Once again, guys, a counter punch that prices can dump. And when I say dump, it's going to be a big candle, and we're going to see that reversal move towards the downside. Everybody's going to go into the sells, and then we're going to get another order block, and guess what? We're going to push price back up. What I'm trying to say, guys, work with the price right now. As much as I could give you a long-term projection, it is not going to be a great projection. Because why? And the reasons why I'm saying that, because we work with the levels, we work with what price is doing on a daily basis. And that's why it's important. If you are a trader, this is the best way to trade. Work off of these levels. If you're an investor, of course, this project is going to do many great things, and especially with the new release with the apples and the glasses and everything like that. But guys, if you are a trader, keep it simple. Everything is simple. We just broke out of this order block. We're seeing a retest into the structure. We don't want to break above the structure. All of these are validated. All the push phase is gone. Now we're seeing the pullback phase. And if it does dump, it's going to go towards these levels. And I'm really excited. We could see some wick rejections. That's fine. I don't care about wicks. I need a body close above this structure. If that does not happen, guys, trust me when I say this is not a great time to buy. We're going to see a dump. Keep that in mind, guys. I want to work with the structure. If you guys do like these type of videos, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Exactly what I told you guys here was going to happen. We seen the big wick going towards the upside, did not see a body close, and what did I expect and say? Price is going to go towards the downside. And exactly what did it do? It went to the order block. That was not mitigated. So once again, this can happen. Price can absolutely break towards the downside. Even though we're not tackling an order block here, we're basically saying to ourselves the order block is filled. That means the hands are gone. We already fed the buyers. This is such a great opportunity that we can see a dump. So once again, I'm not buying. If you guys are, please keep it safe and simple. Other than that, remember, it's not financial advice. This is just my advice. Take it easy and John out. Peace.